gonna be going around looking for tech gifts. I already thought of the things that I'm gonna get. So let's put, oh my goodness.
Umaaray na naman, umaaray. Ayoko talaga maunahan ni Danzel eh.
Nandito din pala si Chico.
Danzel? Tech reviewer kasi, masyadong mabusisi. Ay!
Since medyo nagmamadali, tulungan na kita, lagyan na natin sa bag, no? They gave us a list, so makikita namin kung kanino namin ibigay yung mga tech-related gifts. You are given 30 minutes to find smart devices gifts for your loved ones.
It's you versus me, man.
Me versus you?
Oh!
Okay, so actually I think I'm ready. I already thought of the things that I'm gonna get. So I got one for my mom, for my dad. Let's go, guys. This is Xiaomi. Let's go in. I'm gonna get a bag and go around. Kailangan natin matalo si Chico. Ang maganda sa Xiaomi is they also have other home products. So meron silang oven, they have air fryers. Pero this is not what we want for now. Ito, some smartwatches. We have the Redmi watch. This is gonna be perfect for my dad. Mahilig siya sa mga classic type of watches. Pero now I think a smartwatch would be great. So let's put, oh my goodness. Lagyan natin sa loob.
3 minutes na yung nakalipas. Sayang yung oras. Dito tayo, Samsung oh. May bonus si boss eh. Pwede tayo magwaldas.
Z Flip 5, sir.
Actually, my girlfriend got a Z Flip recently. Pero yung airmat niya, parang nainggit. Magpalakas tayo kay tita. I might just get this for her. Lagi silang nanonood ng K-dramas. Yung mga female leads or male leads. Laging ito yung phone na gamit nila. Ate, how much is this?
64,990.
Parang may naramdaman ako dito sa lalamunan ko. Pero alam nyo, Christmas naman eh. Gawin natin to. Thank you. Tingin pa ako kasi meron pa akong mga kailangan i-cross out dito sa shopping list eh.
We got two. Oh, we actually have a Xiaomi type of vacuum. Ito siya guys. Oh. So, ayan. Oh. So together with the vacuum, definitely, you need a storage bag. Kasama na to sa gift ng mom ko. And lastly, actually guys, ito maganda to. We have a lamp. Oh, it's actually a lantern. So you could bring it out glamping or going outdoors.
For my sibling, parang hindi eh. Kulang pa. Hanap pa tayo. Ate, ano po to?
It's a freestyle booster. Pwede mo siyang i-connect phone ko. Pwede ka manood ng YouTube, Netflix.
Yung kapatid ko, sobrang hilig manood ng shows. Nagbe-binge watch siya. I think this is perfect for her.
This one was, sir, from 56,990.
Umaaray na naman, umaaray. Pero alam niyo ba, mahal na mahal ko yung kapatid ko eh. Kukunin ko natin.
Here, the soundbar. Very nice. If you really want to have like a good speaker para sa flat screen TV niyo or smart TVs niyo.
Meron siyang extra port here.
Okay.
Meron siyang SPDF, then Bluetooth meron po.
Pretty straightforward itong soundbar. You just have to connect it via Bluetooth or plug it sa smart TV mo. This is a perfect gift to get for your family, friends. You're gonna check out all of these stuff.
Sir, the total, sir, 12,000.
12,000. So if you guys have a budget of under 15,000, you could actually get some of these products. Very perfect sa family nyo.
Meron tayong mga bagong units, sir. Is watch 6.
Sakto ate, fitness junkie ako eh. Track your steps, heart rate. Pwede siguro sa akin, no? Pero nagmamadali kasi ako, te. Kasi ayoko talaga maunahan ni Danzel eh. Medyo nadadali ako. Sobrang dami kasing magaganda dito. Ate, wag niyo na ako ibudol, ha?
Thank you.
Yun. Thank you.
Okay, parents, ito yung soundbar.
Sa girlfriend's mom and sibling pa lang, halos paubos na yung budget ko. Kamusta na kaya si Danzel?
Wait, mag-iikot pa pala tayo. Ate, baka okay lang, iwan ko muna to. Balikan ko na lang mamaya. Okay, let's go guys. We have to run kasi kailangan pa natin matalo si Chico. Let's go.
I feel like I'm doing better, honestly, ha. Dadaya tayo ng konti, ha. Yung binili ko sa ate ko, isi-share ko na rin sa niece. Total, anak naman niya yun, eh, di ba? Huwag na lang sabihin, ha. Honestly, mas matagal pa maghanap ng store kaysa maghanap ng product. Ito, Crabtek. Dito kaya tayo. May 15 minutes pa tayo. There's a lot of time to shop actually. Ito, Crabtek Smart Aromatherapy Humidifier. I feel like this is perfect for my girlfriend. Pero kasi baka magtampo siya eh. Binili ko sa mommy niya, Samsung phone. So, I might just get this for my boss. Is this a CCTV? Excuse me. For indoors. Okay, I think pwede to sa boss ko. Kasi lagi niya binabantayan kami. Baka kasi nagbubulakbol kami. How much is this? 999. Okay, bibilhin ko to ha. Pet feeder. Perfect. I'm a dog lover and I have like 12 Belgian Malinois. You think mga gamit nila to? They're big dogs. I think I recall si Danzel may dog din.
Okay guys, medyo natagalan tayo sa Xiaomi kasi ang daming options. So we really need to look for a store to get the other items on our list. So I think we're here at Crabtek, no? Teka, nandito din pala si Chico.
Danzel? Yo. What up?
Kailangan pa kitang talunin. I still need to look around eh. Are you done?
Hindi pa. Ikaw?
Diba? Not yet. No, I still have 4 more sa list. Actually, I have a few minutes left. So, I'm gonna be looking around muna. So, first, for our pets, I have 8 dogs at home. So, syempre, nakita ko na kanina the pet feeder and the water dispenser para sa pet natin. Actually, may nakita ako perfect for my girlfriend. Yung girlfriend ko problema, laging low bat. So, nakita ko na kaagad ito. Wireless power bank. She wouldn't need to borrow a power bank from me anymore. Next, of course, sa grandparents natin. You know, ang mga grandparents natin, homey sila. So really, a humidifier would be perfect. And ang maganda dito, I believe this is RGBS. This is the Crabtek Smart Aromatherapy Humidifier. So, ayun na si Chico, nasa counter na, so we have to pick up the pace. But I already know what I want. The Tapo C210. Actually, you could use this to monitor your pets eh. So, para sa pet na to and para sa akin pa. I think we could start paying.
Yes, again.
Mamadali na tayo dito. Thank you so much.
Pictures, yes again po.
Okay, lamang tayo. Tech reviewer kasi masyadong mabusisi. Ay!
Guys, nauna na siya. I think we're late. But still, makukuha na natin mga gusto natin. Ano to ba yun? Got everything. Since medyo nagmamadali, tulungan na kita. Lagay na natin sa bag, no? I can't believe it. Mukhang matatalo ako ni Chico, guys. But I think we still have some time to redeem ourselves. Thank you so much. Guys, we have to go. We have to run. Parang wala pa si Chico dito, ah. Guys, paano ba yan? I think we won.
Well. I just wanted to see his reaction. Kunwari siya yung nanalo. Was it caught on camera? Bro, I have proof. Ako talaga yung nanalo. Caught on camera.
Fine. Sige, guys, I guess kahit natalo ako, honestly, I still enjoyed looking around at the different tech.
I just wanted to get what I thought would make them happy. Pero looking at his purchases, I feel like he went really in depth. Tignan niya talaga yung specs.
Yeah.
And he was the wiser shopper, that's for sure.
So, yun lang, guys. Hope you enjoyed this challenge that we had today. Once again, I'm Danzel Fernandez.
I'm Chico Cruz.
See you
On the next upgrade.